On large projects, a big and complex master schedule can make it impossible to understand how the plans of engineers and the construction team relate to the big picture. For projects wanting to connect their master schedule and look-ahead plans, Aphex supports a super flexible top-down planning flow that allows master schedules to stay where they already are and for relevant work to be distributed to the team that will own the detailed planning and delivery. Let's take a look. In the next few minutes, we will import the next 12 weeks of my Primavera P6 master schedule, distribute the work to engineers, and then watch them take ownership of updating and detailing those plans. I'll start with my master schedule. So I've exported my P6 schedule into an XML file, and I'm going to start by uploading the file into Aphex. Most commonly, teams will do this each month with the latest version of their schedule. Now I am able to filter out activities that are not relevant for our construction team. In this case, I only want to import construction activities and not anything to do with design or procurement. Because I want to periodically import the latest data for my team, I'll select 12 weeks of activities to be pulled in. I'm also going to import the WBS assignments alongside my activities, and this will generate the WBS tree automatically in Aphex to match that of the master schedule. Okay, let's fast forward a few seconds, and now we're done. The 20 new activities from the next 12 weeks of our master schedule are now in Aphex. Now I will quickly assign these out to the users that will own them. George, Olu, and the rest of the engineers will be automatically notified of the new work they now have ownership of. Each owner can then break down, detail, and edit their high-level activities from P6 to form the look-ahead plan. Let's jump on over to the Gantt, turn our view to the whole project, and group by WBS to see if we can spot the team start to pull their work into the plan. So, in under 5 minutes, the Aphex top-down workflow can connect detailed construction plans to project master schedules whilst giving teams the flexibility they need to own the plan.